I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Paparazzi me this morning.
Early Monday morning. Futures belong to who are ready to wake up early. In French we say the future belongs to early people.
That's it. In English we said early bird catch the most worms.
Yeah, worms?
No, you're the worm, I'm the bird. The kids are up?
Nobody up, you're alone.
Hi faves, you already know. Wake up early on the grind. Babe just looked through the window and said, you look pretty. She have an extra big smile on her face this morning. Anyway, I need to wrap it up because my kid's gonna wake up in a minute and I need to go get them ready for school. Well, this one is getting ready for work. Make sure when I come around there the bathroom empty. Quick glance at my babies before they head off to school. We don't have much time this morning. Say good morning. You gonna have a good day today?
Yes.
Be brave.
Yes.
Be bright.
Yes.
You gonna say good morning.
Mama.
You have a good day today?
Yeah.
You're gonna be and be
Mama.
and be
Nice.
and be
Kind.
and have a good job. High five.
And be patient.
And be patient. That's my girl.
Mama, high five.
You're too funny. We don't have time. Go, 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 go.
High five.
We don't have time, guys. Go to the door. Chop, chop. Tell faves later.
Later, my youth.
Hi, guys. It's been more than 8 hours since you guys last saw me. It's been a busy day. It's been a busy day, Mel, handling business on the road. And I was out longer than I expected to be out. I went to lunch with my professor from my previous French classes that I did. We met up for lunch today and had a chit chat and catch up and stuff like that. So I was living in the moment and didn't vlog. I didn't want to vlog, so I lived that. And I run some more errands on the road. I didn't want to take you guys on. I'm working in the back. Working. Okay, we're working. Just know we're working. When I'm ready to share all these things that I'm working on with you, I'll be definitely sharing them. But nonetheless, I had a long day, though I didn't take you guys along with me. But I got back home like almost 4 p.m. and jumped right into cooking. I made dinner. Well, I started making dinner, and now I'm finishing up. I just picked Sarah up from school. Tyler is still at school, but not school. He's at club, he's at sports, he's doing judo. If you guys don't know what sport Tyler play, he's doing judo, and Papa will pick him up in an hour. I think Papa will reach home earlier though than Tyler pickup time, so you guys might see babe a bit before you head out for Tyler. And what I'm cooking for dinner today, you ask, let me show you real quick. So when I got home, I made these veggies. This is green beans and mushroom sauteed and air fryer going. So can you guess what's in my air fryer before I open it? What's in my air fryer before I open it? Make your guesses right now in the comment section. What do you think I'm making in the air fryer? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here we go with the reveal. Salmon. So that's in the air fryer going right now. And then I already have starch in the fridge, so I don't need to cook any of that. So that's dinner for today. So let me guys show you Miss Sarah. She got home, and of course she put on her princessy dress, and she's in here playing somewhere. Let's find her. She knows that I'm here. Hi, princess. How are you? Look up, mama. Mwah, you're pretty. Say thank you, mama. What are you doing? You doing makeup? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, show mama how you do makeup.
Look, it's makeup.
That's your makeup in there.
Yeah.
Who you saw doing makeup?
Like your face like.
You doing your face like mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Lord have mercy. Somebody come and get this girl. So you putting on the lips?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the lip. All right.
Oh, I don't see the lip.
That's okay. The lip is clear. You don't need no more lip than that. Oh, that's how mama put on the makeup on her face?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. You're brushing her hair. Oh, you're painting the fingers too? But you can't put on color on the finger when you're going to school.
Oh, my pink.
That's okay. You cannot wear pink to school, okay?
Okay.
You have to put it on when we're going on vacation. You guys, can you tell I have a full-blown girly girl? She loves to do what she see mama doing. You're having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue enjoying your makeup, okay?
Okay, tomorrow is vacation.
No, tomorrow is not vacation. Tomorrow you're going to school.
Really?
Yes, really.
Yes.
Okay, mama is finished up making dinner, okay?
Okay.
See you soon. Bye. You see, when people say to me, Mel, what you going to do with Sarah while growing up? I know exactly what I'm going to do with Sarah, because Sarah is me through and through. She's me exactly when I was small. That's how I used to behave. I know exactly what's coming. So I know exactly how I'll deal with Sarah. I'll deal with myself. But I love it. I love seeing her in her little girly girl elements. Oh my gosh. If you guys have any girls, let me know. How were they like growing up and how are they now? Perfect dinner for my boys. Tyler and Papa.
Il a écrit.
Maximal.
Oui. C'est pas plus. C'est interdit plus.
You guys.
Hey guys.
Then today's vlog.
You sound like this. Hey guys. It's only fault, man.
Today in this vlog, you know what I saw Sarah doing in the room? I think I tell you already. See, she putting on my makeup.
Yeah, your makeup.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, you
today's
told me
vlog is
that.
about. And she doing it like me,
You're
like
gonna
this,
have
you
to
know.
look. You're gonna have to watch her.
I don't need to watch her because I know what she's gonna do. She's gonna do everything that I do. I hope she does.
Double reason to watch her. Look at my face. You think I'm joking?
I'm not joking. I just hope she don't take the scissors and cut her hair one day, which is a high possibility.
That's the last thing I'm worrying about.
So what you worrying about?
All of the betties that she gonna do.
So what do you think she's gonna do, Betty's?
You were the queen of betties.
There's no denying that. She's her own person. She don't really have to walk in my footsteps. Though I see a lot of me in her, but
Yeah, look at her.
there's a lot. Sarah is me through and through. Is scary. Well, you deal with me, and you're not dead as yet.
No, not yet.
So you're hanging
I
on.
survived. I am in my 5th life. I only have 2 more.
So she'll survive. You'll survive her.
Yeah, I try.
You
I
seem to me bad.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing it bad. I'm very nice to you. And I have no gray hair. I have gray hair. That's how bad you give me.
I don't even have to tell you guys about the lies that he tell, right? I think you guys used to him by now.
A little bit. Allow me to tell a little bit. I didn't see that coming, right?
You're too funny.
Yeah, anyway guys, I just hope you had a good day, and I just hope you all doing fine. We're back from vacation for like 2-3 weeks, but we
Lord.
already need some more vacation.
Lord.
But
I wish I'm going on the next one
we
right
have chose. One good thing is there is a start back to be good, so yeah, we soon feel
time for the road.
in vacation. We'll soon be able to go back on the road, and the COVID here is well, I mean, COVID is everywhere, but the
You don't even hear anything about COVID no more.
yeah, the restriction is kind of gone now, so we just have to be careful. But like we do careful for flu, for everything, but we can go back to Italy, we can go back anywhere. The restriction is kind of gone, so that's a good thing. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna do a lot of things, and we're gonna carry you with us. But
as usual.
the good weather is there. About a week before we get the new car, so we're gonna have some new adventures. So I'm sure you don't want to miss that, because we don't want you to miss that. Anything for your defense?
Not a thing. You did it all. You defend and you defend.
Boss!
Anyway,
Say
you
it.
guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. For the boss. The boss is to come back tomorrow.
No, not this. I'm not paid by this.
Is what I mean, like?
Yeah.
You're funny. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later. You're funny as hell. This is not paid by this.